University, and she's now with Western College. I am Mel Torres, Dean of the Far Eastern University Institute of Tourism and Hotel Management. And with me this morning is our handsome Dean, Dr. Dr. Albert Alcaide. Mr. Bert. And of course, in behalf of FEU and ITHM, we are very much happy that Fly 8 is with us. And of course, headed by Mario Acuña, the product manager. And Sir Ralph, thank you so much for being here, as well as our other friends. I would also like to thank our organizing team, the event management class of Sir Dominic Soriano. Where are they? Are they all here? Congratulations for this good event. And of course, assisted by our very good program coordinator, Sir Richard Tabuena. All my other faculty members are around, and I think they are also the judges for this competition. As I was saying to Mario a while ago, this is a very good event. Not just you are promoting and advertising your products, which we believe are good. Here in FEU, Far Eastern University, and ITHM, we do not partner just for anyone or just for the heck of partnering with anyone, but we always believe that we will only partner with the best. And that goes with the Jolly brand that you cater or that you have in the Fly 8 Corporation. Not just that, we would also that this will be an annual thing, an annual event, and that we can go bigger and better. Like in 2015, we hope that we can have not just within the institute competition of this cook-off competition, but also that we could invite other schools in the area, in the university belt. Like we were mentioning a while ago, we have what's this? Holy Spirit, La Consolacion, PEU, UE, San Sebastian, NU, PWU, Adamson, St. Paul, UST, and of course, the very best FEU. So, we hope to and be with Jolly Corporation who Fly 8 as our very good partner, not just for this year, but in the years to come. That goes also to our dear friend, Mr. Marlon from Coke Magazine, and also the other bloggers who are here this morning. We welcome you to FEU. We hope that you will enjoy, you will learn also, and you will be amazed by the beauty and the creativity of my students. And not just that, but the bonding and the fellowship that we will be knowing each other for a start, and we will have a very good sustainable partnership. With that, enjoy the day. Thank you.
Thank you, Dean Linda Torres and Dr. Albert Alcaide for being here with us this morning. It's a very warm welcome. Thank you very much. Also for the students and the class. Okay, let's also congratulate Miss Ivy, the head of the event and convention class. Okay, we met her yesterday, and then or the other day. There's a very warm name. Also, Sir Richard. Okay, also let's give Sir Richard a warm applause. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for this very inspiring message. And as part of this activity, the participating universities will be given the opportunity to showcase the best students and their dishes in the Jolly University Cook-Off. So this Cook-Off aims to feature the creativity and ingenuity of each competing student in creating easy-to-prepare dishes using the Jolly food line. So FEU and please take note of the suggestion of Dr. Adalbert and Ma'am Melinda to conduct university dito sa ating Sanibel or lahat ng schools natin maybe next year, and one of the topics kanina is to be the host of that FEU to be the host of that activity. It's our first partnership. Okay, so let's move forward to the mechanics. Okay, so each team, okay, will be given 45 minutes to prepare their dishes and 15 minutes to present. So 45 minutes to prepare the dishes and 15 for the plating. So total of 1 hour for each team. So winners for this leg will receive a gift pack from Jolly Food Line, cash prize, and the opportunity to represent the university in the upcoming Grand Cook-Off that will be held at Robinson Office on March 8th. So that's next week already, okay? So, before we proceed also, let's also welcome the presence of our partners from the Art Vloggers. So, dito sila. Good morning. So, we came all the way from the Balicias, Las Piñas, and Makati. So, the criteria for judging are as follows. They are criteria: creative use of Jolly products, 30%. Originality, we have 10%. Flavor and taste, 30%. Presentation, 10%. And overall impression, 20%. So, let's now move forward. Now, Martha, okay, by the way, okay, so these are the criteria for judging. And for our judges, okay, we call on, let's acknowledge the presence of our judges, Mr. Richard Tabuena, Sir Richard, the program coordinator of HR. And let's give Sir Richard a warm applause. Okay, Mr. Harold Bueno, our HR professor. Okay, and Chef Jaisel Pahuyo, HR and laboratory coordinator. The pretty lady and never in the laboratory. Okay, Chef Jaisel. They will be our judge for the Good morning, Chef. Good morning, Sir Richard, Harold, and Chef Jaisel. Okay, they will be our judges for this morning. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's now, Martha, let's proceed with, let's introduce each team. Okay. Okay. Okay, maybe call on team number 1. Are the teams prepared? Okay, team number 1. They have prepared a special, parang cheer for us. And then each team, they're in need. May mga pangalan sila. So, nag-prepare sila earlier. Habang nag-mission class sila, nag-prepare na sila ng cheer nila. Okay, team number 1. Let's give it up for team number 1. Sabi sila, kanina I was in the kitchen. Interview sila. Sila doon yung pinaka-senior. Right? Hindi halata. Senior in high school? Ano? College. Okay, sige. What's the name of your team? Jolly Junior Tamaraw. So, talagang nagsupa rin yung school spirit. Okay, that's good. Kasi hindi sila Gino. Kaya kailangan ng school spirit na doon tayo. Okay, sige nga, let's hear your team cheer. And also the name of your team, the team cheer. Yeah, let's start.
We are the Jolly Junior team.
Ito po mga fans, si Jolly. Okay, thank you very much. Jolly in their heart, and of course, that Tamaraw. Kailangan nandun pa rin. Okay, next part of the team number 2. For Felisa Bona, Mariana, Santos, and Ken Villarreal. Okay. Wala ka mga fans sa team number 2? Yes. Okay. So, the name of the team, introduce niyo yung team mo. Jolien. Jolien. So, wala naman lalabas mamaya sa mga katawan natin. Mga mushroom lang. Okay, sige. Jolien. Can we hear your cheer? Jolly J-O-L-L-Y, Deep Deep Jolly J-O-L-L-Y. Wow, talaga lang ito. Kumaba ngayon, Jolly J-O-L-L-Y. Hindi kasama sa N-E-U sa dulo, kailangan. Okay, the third team, Martha. Muhammad Mandra, Michaela Fernandez, and Jerome Palones. Okay. Team number 3. Ano naman ang name ng team natin? Nag-i-convert. Jolly? 10. Bakit Jolly 10? Anong chef? Coach chef natin. Oh, okay. So, ano naman siya? Kasama si Chef Coach ang inspiration of the team. Okay, sige. Let's hear your cheers.